Okay, so this is my first attempt at making a fast breakbeat using the new sonic extensions from Omnisphere. We'll use the preset Intimate Warmth from Unclean Machine, and we'll set our BPM to 150. We'll use the TheoryBoard to play this progression in D Lydian. D major 7th with a 9th, A major 7th with a 9th, D major 7th with a 9th again, and then we'll stack C sharp minor. Next we'll use sampler to play some vocal harmonies. We'll use some additional samples pitched to D Lydian. Now let's bring in drums and a bass line. Now let's run that same sound through an arpeggiator. I also like the preset Celeste Trails. We'll stack both sounds and play the same chord progression. Now I don't like the way that last chord was arpeggiated, so we'll change the style to pinky up. And that sounds better. So let's record all of that. Some more vocal samples. Change the voicing on the TheoryBoard and run that same progression through Electric Sunburst. Now this is a bit too bright. I kind of just want to use this for an atmosphere, so we'll run it through halftime. This pitches it down an octave and gives it a pumping effect, and it's cool because this is the same progression, but now it's darker and more in the background. Now this is Undercurrent, another sonic extension. So let's stack that with the detuned guitar. Omnisphere also has this great strings preset, and we'll change the voicing so it's inverted higher. And we'll use the live note update section to play some melody notes. We'll go into the settings and turn on mute chord. Now the chords still update the right side without sending out note data.